Can cats recognize specific words and their meanings? Cats have been domesticated for thousands of years, and yet, there is still so much we don't know about them. One fascinating question that many cat owners have is whether cats can recognize specific words and understand their meanings. Do cats understand when we call their names or tell them to come here? In this video, we will explore the research and anecdotal evidence surrounding this topic to determine if cats have a grasp on language. Communication in cats. Before we dive into whether cats can understand specific words, it's essential to understand how cats communicate. Cats primarily communicate through body language, vocalizations, and scent marking. They use various postures, tail movements, and vocal cues to express their emotions and needs. While cats do not possess the ability to speak like humans, they can communicate effectively within their own species. Word recognition in cats. When it comes to recognizing specific words, research suggests that cats may indeed have some understanding. A study conducted by Japanese scientists found that cats can recognize their names within a series of random words, even in the presence of unfamiliar voices. The cats responded by orienting their heads, moving their ears, or twitching their tails when they heard their names. This study implies that cats can distinguish their names from other words and understand that they are being addressed. However, it's important to note that cats may not understand the meaning behind the words. It's more likely that they associate specific sounds, tones, or patterns with positive or negative outcomes. For example, if a cat regularly hears their name before receiving treats or affection, they might learn to associate their name with something positive. But whether they actually comprehend the meaning of their name remains uncertain. Other words and commands. Aside from their names, can cats understand other words or commands? Some cat owners claim that their feline companions respond to various verbal cues. For instance, a cat might learn to recognize phrases like come here, food, or play. These observations suggest that cats might be able to associate certain words with specific actions or rewards. However, it's essential to consider other factors at play here. Cats are incredibly perceptive animals and are attuned to our body language, facial expressions, and tone of voice. It's possible that they respond to our nonverbal cues rather than understanding the actual words being spoken. Additionally, cats are renowned for being independent creatures, and their response to verbal commands may vary from cat to cat. The role of intonation. One crucial aspect of communication that cats can pick up on is the intonation of our speech. Studies have shown that cats are more responsive to high-pitched, melodic speech compared to monotone or low-pitched speech. This suggests that cats might be sensitive to the emotional content conveyed through the tone of our voice. So, while they may not understand the actual words, they can discern our emotions and intentions based on how we speak. The importance of bonding and training. Regardless of whether cats can understand specific words and their meanings, it is clear that they can form strong bonds with their human companions and learn through association. Cats are intelligent animals capable of learning routines, recognizing patterns, and adapting their behavior accordingly. With consistent training and positive reinforcement, cats can learn to respond to verbal cues and commands, further enhancing the human-cat bond. Conclusion. In conclusion, while it is still subject to debate and further scientific research, current evidence suggests that cats may recognize specific words, particularly their names. However, their understanding of these words is likely based on associations and patterns rather than a true comprehension of the meaning behind them. Cats are keen observers of our nonverbal cues and can respond to our tone, intonation, and body language, making them adept at understanding our emotions and intentions. So, while your cat may not understand every word you say, they can undoubtedly pick up on your love and affection through the way you communicate with them.